Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So in this tutorial, I want us to learn some new skill today. For example, just you can just imagine it, or if not, you've never surfaced it. I want to create some format, like some form, for somebody to like fill it in, or that other than spending time taking it to like them to like fill in, whereby I'll take quite a long time. I want to just send them a link. They just fill their like their details, for example, uh, the name, I can also their combination, and their telephone contact, their WhatsApp number, so other mobile contacts, and they can also comment. So with that, I'm like easing the life to be in the modern format. So what feature is that? Now that happens to be, for example, for the PC, also the iPhones, and also the MacBooks, that will handle something called the Google Forms. You can also find them also in the Apple Store, also on any Microsoft. You can find them there. So how does it work? When I just come at my search engine, I just click here on search panel, and I go to my search engine, for example Chrome. I click to any of my accounts. Then I just type here Google Forms, as I told you. Though this one I told you it wastes time, so we won't use it. We use the simpler one. I click here and I just go to my for the Google Form. Google Forms. So when I just click here, I look for the Google Forms. So sometimes when you come here, you may not find what you're like looking for. But don't get worried. What you just do is one simple thing. You just click here. They will come for them. They will come by themselves. So when it comes, it pops up like that, as you can see. I can also show what you recently did. Yesterday I did this. So you can create your own, whereby you make it specialized. For example, as you've heard about the specialized cards, or what you make your card different from the other normal ones. So you can click on the party card, as you can see. Let's first try this one. That's the most common one. I double click on it. When it opens itself, it looks like that, as you can see. The party card. It's showing you the how it's going to look like. How you can see the invitation cards. They have a front part which shows the birthday, and you can see the balloons. You can also change this and make it, for example, for example, an image. You can make it an image. You can see the questions here. The party, though it's in, I think I saved it in some language which I can change. You can see, let us know what dishes you want: main, salad. Do you have any allergies? What's your email address? Feed all that. Then I can change this and I make it, for example, become Garfield's Garfield's birthday party, as you can see. So now it is specialized, as you can see. So you can fill in his name, all that. So you're seeing something called the questions and responses. Responses, how do they work? If somebody happens to fill it in, it will be a response. Or if Casey comments about it, there's also the setting where you can make them, you want them to be a quiz. You want them to become, for example, like a paper where they have specific time duration. The other thing, you can also, then you can publish them. By publishing it, you're like saving it, so that you can easily give it in if somebody wants it, where you just click here to publish. Then you can get the link, or share the link, just like that. When I publish it, you're going to see it's saved somewhere. Though the other thing you can do, you can also share it. Here we share the link, just share the link. The link will be here. So just share that link. And there's also the copy link. That's the easiest one. You can redo something I've done. You can undo something. You can preview it. So but before you go to preview, so this is how it's going to look like, the preview, the one that is published, which can be as filled in. So you can also change the colors of this part here. Let me show you this part here, the questions here. You can decide to change the color. You can make it red, as you can see, I sent red. You can make it to become blue, any color you want. You can also change this one become an image, in case you want your own image, whereby you, for example, if it's a birthday party, you put here the image of the people who are going to attend the birthday, or the person who's going to upgrade his years. You can also do what? There's a header. You can edit as you have access to the Word document, how it works. You can improve on the questions. You can add the text in case you want those features. So that's how the birthday party card works. There's also other formats. There's Sawyer 100, there's also the RSVP. This one is most common for those of you who have had access to the birthday, to the weddings, such organizations, or from whereby somebody, in case you know that you will not attend, or for example, you want to attend, or you have anything you want to inquire about, people whom you just ask to talk to. So it's also like the other one, just fill in the names. What do you want? Who are you? Are you a friend? You what? Anything. You see, you can add a question in case you want. For example, if the questions are not good for me, I want to add a question. For example, where do you come from? What's your email? Because the questions isn't displayed here. You can also add. This is the add we have talked about. You can import questions. Well, because you have questions saved somewhere, just import them and copy them here. You can add a title and description. For example, this is not good for you. You can also add a video in case you want. You can also add a what? You can also add a question, a section. For example, as you know, question section A, section B, section C. So we're adding another section. The response as I do in the previous party card, the settings are the same, the publishing is the same. Except when I talk about this one. This one keyboard shortcuts. How to pre-fill form. For example, you fill the form how it may look like. You can delete it whereby to go to the trash. You can make a copy about it also. So that works. I'll talk about the last one, then I'll stop there. And the contact, which is common here, also exists. Also the event card also exists, but I'll talk about only the contact information card. So this one, for it, mostly used for academic purposes, whereby somebody tells you, for example, contact information. Somebody says, can put here BSc students. Then I said they'll fill in their name there, the email there, their address, their phone number, also the comment. The comment they can say thank you, improve, good, anything they want. And same applies also to I can undo, I can redo it, bring it back, as I told you, all that. So the other features that you can see here, it's the other one. You can also rearrange them in case you forgot something. Just as the other ones, as you can see. You can see here that these apps are really connected to each other. The Google Docs, the sheets, the slides, and the vids and the forms are all connected to each other because they all work in hand. The settings has nothing much. You can also search for me in case you want the form you forgot somewhere. You can be able to get it from there. Another thing I can talk about. Let me see. These other ones here. So this platform, for it, when you tap on it, you will be specializing it. You can make it, for example, it will be a ceremony, whereby it will be different from the other ones. You can add an option one, ask anything, another option, anything you want to ask, just like that. So that's how the Go Docs, the Go forms work. Just adding you to continue subscribing, liking, and commenting. Let's meet in the other videos.